you ever heard of the Jamaican word bumboclot? I'm traveling in Jamaica all month, and you cannot go anywhere in this island without someone saying this to you.
Bumboclot! Yeah, bumboclot. Bumboclot! Bumbo! Bumboclot! 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 Bumboclot!
And I got super duper curious as to what it means and how it's used. Like, everything here is bumboclot. I'm bumboclot, you're bumboclot, the eggs we had for breakfast are bumboclot. It's a noun, verb, adjective, everything. And I'd never heard this word before. It's also very goofy sounding to me, so I looked it up. Apparently it comes from the patois, which is Jamaican Creole, which is a combination of English, Spanish, African languages, and French, and Portuguese. And it literally means
Bumbarage! All of them! Bumbarage! Pussy bumperfuck!
means bum, like your bum, blood, and then clot is cloth. So it means like something that you would use to wipe up after that time of the month, or your bum after you use the bathroom. But the thing is that's interesting is it's used as a positive and a negative. Like, that sounds, you know, like a nasty word, but it's used for those eggs are bumboclot. And I was like, oh, you don't like the eggs? And he was like, no, I like the eggs. Like, it's used like that, but also if someone calls you a bumboclot, that's a negative. But it's just thrown around so much on the island, and it's a word that I had never, ever heard before, so I thought I would share.
Here you go.
Press it.
Oh.
With everyone, this little piece of Jamaican culture that I've learned about. My new favorite curse/slang word.
Be a bad word. Be a freaking bad word. Your bumboclot. What's the problem? Suck yourself.
Bumboclot means that we're gonna bumboclot.
Oh my god, that's Jamaican drink.
You know what I
You
mean?
have the best Jamaican accent ever.
Appreciate that.
You're literally Jamaica.
Find out to rascal out this something them go and tap talk on a pussy blood clot foolishness. Before me start angle blood clot machine gun them. Me shoot at the bomber blood clot something off her earth. So, me one for the for me bomber blood clot. Please.
So no,
I work there for work.
no umana come
And
out
a thief
time.
me thief. Me no want a thief for me.
No umana come out time, Manuel. No uman bring you come my world. Come in here. You.
You better find out something. Bring who?
What does bomba clot mean? I think you mean bumboclot. Bumboclot. But to answer your question, bumboclot is a national dish of Jamaica. Bumboclot is typically served with a bed of rice, plantain, and sometimes macaroni and cheese. You could get curry bumboclot, oxtail bumboclot, stew bumboclot, bumboclot with Milo, bumba patties, bumboclot and sawfish. We even now have vegan and gluten-free bumboclot. But my personal favorite is just regular bumboclot. I recommend going to your local Jamaican restaurant and getting a small bumboclot with rice and peas and some plantain. It is so good. Get the lunch special. I personally don't like eating bumboclot with white rice. It's not really my favorite. I like it with rice and peas, but that's just me. But hey, who am I to discourage you? However you want your bumboclot, get your bumboclot however you want your bumboclot. When you see a Jamaican, ask them how they like their bumboclot, okay? I like to put a little bit of hot pepper sauce on my bumboclot. Make sure you wash it down with a nice refreshing glass of pussyclot.
All right, so to all of the people who don't know what bumboclot means, even Jamaicans don't know what bumboclot means, but I know what bumboclot means. So I feel special, and I think you guys are special too, so I'm going to tell you. Back in slavery, the slave them used to when they have their periods or their menstrual cycle, they used to use a particular clots to like, clog the blood so like they don't bleed out or whatever. And those clots used to be called bumbo. And like also you'll realize that blood, if you see the bumbo and blood clot, they're both like, interchangeable curse words. And the slave masters used to come, like, because like sometimes the bumbos or the blood clots used to have like stains in them, and the slave masters used to come and embarrass them, like, move your bumbo clot. And then like so they used to make fun of each other whenever that happens, because it's embarrassing, like having somebody telling you to move the thing that you use to plug your menstrual cycle with, to move it somewhere else. And where are you gonna put it? Like, you're in slavery. So yeah, that's where it came from.
These are Jamaican words that my friends taught me in Patois. The first one on the list is batigal. Batigal. They told me it means a pretty girl. So whenever you see a pretty girl, you be like, "What's up, batigal?" Or you can say it with man too. They told me, what was it? Batiman. Yeah, so whenever you see a batiman, you be like, "What's up, batiman? Hey, batiman." I can't wait to use these words in Jamaica. Second on my list is sakumuma. Sakumuma. Whenever I see my friend, it means to tell your mom hi. It means tell her hi and everything. No wonder it says muma. Whenever I say my friend, I say, "Hey girl, sakumuma." Sakumuma. Last but not least on my list is bumbo pussy rasclat. Bumbo pussy rasclat. What that means is when you see a big cat, and I love cats. Like, if you see my video, I love cats. And that means a big cat. So every time I see a cat, I'd be like, "Bumbo pussy rasclat! Bumbo pussy rasclat! Bumbo pussy rasclat."
Guys, me and Rennie, we're going to team up. We are going to be pretending to be arguing and saying our mom's favorite word, bumboclot. Let's see her reaction. Guys, me and Rennie, we're doing it now.
Renee, did you just take my Roblox card from my bag?
I don't know, bumboclot, take your Roblox card.
You knew that I had this Roblox card in my bumboclot bag. Why did you bumboclot take it?
I did not Me not take the bumboclot Roblox card.
Yes, you bumboclot did. Don't lie to my bumboclot face.
What about your bumboclot friends?
What? Wait. I want to go down here.
Still bring a
I want to bumboclot this. I want to hear you say Chanel. I'm ready. Really, she bumboclot take my Roblox card. I'm here to talk and you still say it.
She's a bumboclot liar.
I want the blood clot. The two of us start cuss bad one now. We don't know see me alone if you say that in here. Eh?
What time is bumboclot girl to stop lying?
She bumboclot took it. Don't lie. What are we the bumboclot this? Don't. So this is a house of bumboclot now. Who don't bother take it up? And my word that. Yeah? You and Renee enough you say it. This is my word. Don't make me hear when you say it again. I'm serious. What are we the bumboclot this? So, when you start to cuss bad now, and the first me I hear, that means you